Shine, let it shine. Oh, oh, oh. Let it shine, let it shine.
Are you taking a picture of your new keyboard?
We did.
You got a new toy?
Yeah.
Talk to me about this keyboard. It looks brand new.
We're not recording this, so.
Yes, we are.
Light of the world, my darkness lay, and bursting forth in glorious day.
How did you guys come to the decision that a keyboardist should be a main player in this group?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
well,
gonna
the
ask you
group,
like that.
to be frank with you, the group was formed before I became a member.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but they were going off key, and they needed somebody to bring them back on key.
Oh wow!
So-
they needed you, Dennis.
So Danny Brownie called me and said, "Oh, we're having a problem. We're going flat. Can you join the group?" I'm like, "Okay, what am I supposed to do? Just keep us in key." So initially, my job was just to keep them in key, and then it evolved into Pastor asking me to deal with arrangements and so on.